Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your phone number on Telegram on your PC step by step. If you want to keep your phone number private from other Telegram users, you can easily change your privacy settings. So let's get started. First, open Telegram on your computer and sign in to your account. Next, click the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, click Privacy and Security. Now, click on Phone Number under the Privacy section. You'll see the Who Can See My Phone Number option. To hide your phone number from everyone, select Nobody. If you only want your contacts to see your phone number, choose My Contacts. You can also use the Always Allow and Never Allow sections to create exceptions for specific users. Next, review the Who Can Find Me by My Number setting. Choose My Contacts if you don't want people who have your number to automatically find your Telegram account. Your changes will be saved automatically. You can now close the settings window. Your phone number will only be visible to the people you've allowed. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your phone number on Telegram on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.